So at that time when I graduated, it was during the financial crisis of 2007 to 2008. So I was applying for jobs every day, but without success. So I figured if these companies won't hire me, I'll try to find clients like they did. So I researched a lot on how to find clients, how to negotiate, how to promote myself and to network. And that was the start of my freelance journey. When you try to do so many things at the same time, you risk spreading yourself thin. Plan ahead and draft out a checklist for the routine of the day, and then also take a break in between to relieve the stress. I participate in many online communities of creative professionals and entrepreneurs to stay in touch with the latest trends and learn from them. So I would talk to people, ask for advice, give advice, check out the latest portfolios, critique on each other's works, and learn from each other. I don't ever want to stop learning.